Hello everyone, welcome to the Dzikokennels, where we explore on dogs. Today we are going to be looking at the Caucasian Shepherd. The Caucasian Shepherd breed of dog is a self-confident and fierce dog, but he or she is soft, devoted, kind and loving kind of breed. The Caucasian Shepherd dogs were used for centuries to protect properties from trespassers and to also guide livestock from large and small predators such as the wolves and the coyotes. And for so many other reasons, the Caucasian Shepherd is used. In some parts of the world today, the Caucasian dogs are companions and watchdogs. We have different types among the Caucasian dogs depending on their home region or country. There are basically two types and standards of the Caucasian Shepherds. We have the mountain types, which is long-coated and has a heavier body mass. And we also have the second one, which is the steppe type, which has the shorter coated type with a lighter body mass. The Caucasian Shepherd is known with different names like the Caucasian Overchacker, the Caucasian Sheepdog, and etc. You need to know that owning a dog is not just a privilege, it's a responsibility. They depend on us for, at minimum, food and shelter, and deserve much more. When you take a dog into your life, you need to understand the commitment that dog ownership entails. Did you know that the Caucasian Shepherds were bred for many traits that made them superb guardians, including self-confidence, fearlessness, sharp hearing, good vision, and physical power? I believe now you know. Stay tuned with the Dzikokennels for more info on different breed of dogs. We love you.